Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, let's discuss the Pixel 7 and my uses and my experiences with this device for the last few weeks now. I did something similar to this video with the Pixel 7 Pro. So let's discuss, its little brother, the Pixel 7. I picked this phone up from T-Mobile. It is $599, so it's $300 cheaper than the Pixel 7 Pro. The thing that is missing is the telephoto lens on the camera system, and the display is a little bit smaller, and it's only a 1080p panel. Doesn't have that 2K quality as its big brother, but you get the same features as far as, picture blur. You get the magic eraser. You get all the Google experiences with this phone. I mean, it's pretty amazing for what you get at the price. The 6.3-inch 1080p panel is great. It goes up to 90 hertz refresh rate. Just like the 7 Pro, I haven't had any problems. This thing runs smooth. The display is smooth. The in-display fingerprint scanner is better. Even the face unlock is good. I'm glad they brought it back. Unless you're in the dark area, it doesn't work that great at all, really. But the face unlock does work pretty quick when, daylight like this right now. There's no other way to review a phone or give y'all a sample of a phone than use the cameras on it. This is 4K at 60 on the Pixel 7. So, yes, I'm using it to film the review. I like doing these type of car vlogs. I know other people like showing off the phone. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Battery life has been really good on here. Not as good as I was hoping, but it's not bad. I can get through a day without charging it, really, and that's all I really need. But battery life is always subjective on what you do with the phone, so you may get better battery life or you may get worse. But just remember, it is subjective. You also, with the $599, you get the new Tensor chip. You get the G2 or M2, whatever they call it. It is great. I mean, it works great with everything Google, Android 13, everything, like I said, on the 7 Pro you get with the Tensor chip on this phone. If you like the zoom or zooming in, the 30 res zoom, then yeah, unfortunately, you don't have that on this phone here. But you do have that same 50 megapixel camera. You can do 4K at 60 on the front and the rear cameras. They haven't stepped it up to 8K yet, but that's okay. The overall build of this phone is great. People love the size of it. I mean, it's a good size phone. I do like the matte finish aluminum sides, but I wish the back was, that matte finish also. I have the lemongrass color, so it looks really good. Also playing games on here, watching videos. That display is great. Playing games with the Tensor chip too, no problems either. It works really good. Haven't had any hiccups. I still need to do gaming reviews on both phones, but I have been trying them out, just testing them out, and I have no issues. No overheating issues on this phone when shooting video or photos outside. I haven't had any problems like that. Again, I don't know if anybody mentioned that on the Pixel 7 yet, but no problems with overheating. So overall, the phone has been really good. I'm enjoying it, and there's no really big complaints. Again, same thing as the Pixel 7 Pro. The speakers, when you're doing like speaker calls, could be a little bit louder, but it is what it is. It's not a deal breaker. I don't really have a deal breaker on this phone. Not at all. It really works great. I have no connectivity issues. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 5G's been working great on this phone with my T-Mobile SIM card. So yeah, everything's been great so far. Making phone calls, texting on it, no issues. You know, using it as an everyday phone. People, you know, sometimes forget we actually use the phone as a phone too. So that's very important. I would love to see what this camera does with the sun, the way it is right now. But if you have the Pixel 7, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Do you like it? Do you wish you had the 7 Pro? And let's discuss the price. $599. You get great battery life. You get a really good display. You get all the Google experiences that you want with this phone. You get the new Tensor chip. You get so many different features. You get a quality build phone with Android 13 on it with promise updates. Is it better to buy this phone or the Pixel 7 Pro? Is the Pixel 7 Pro really worth, you know, $300 more? That is a question you have to answer for yourself. I like the 7 Pro, but I do like this phone too. If compared to other competitions like the Galaxy S21, you know, the iPhone 13, which people don't like to compare iOS to Apple to Android phones, but you can. This phone overall is a great buy for $599, and if you wait a little bit, Black Friday's coming up, you probably will get some good deals on this phone too. So just to recap this video, I'm loving it so far. Yes, could it be a little bit bigger for me? Yes. I don't mind the 1080p panel because it looks great. Speakers could be a little bit better. Battery life could be a little bit better too, but overall, I'm enjoying the phone. If you like it, let me know in the comments. Let's get a friendly discussion. You can pick up this phone from Google's website, Google Store, or even Amazon or Best Buy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. These people won't go. Oh no. Oh, I'm rapping now, but all right, y'all. Peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day. Listen to Baby Girl.